Did you know that over 70% of cats suffer from dental diseases? A common misconception among cat owners is that cats don't need their teeth brushed. But that's actually one of the biggest mistakes you can make, of course. Most cats don't like having their teeth brushed, and it's just in their nature. That's why Jestry created a natural catgrass catnip biscuit, designed to fit your cat's habits, with added catnip. These biscuits naturally clean teeth and freshen breath as your cat chews. The more they chew, the whiter their teeth and fresher their breath. Plus, the catgrass helps gently expel hairballs from their tummy. It's the perfect two-in-one treat. And I honestly can't think of any reason not to give it a try, especially since it's so affordably a little over 10 for a big jar. I'm definitely stocking up on a few more jars. You can click the link below to get yours.